Screen acting, the fraud of the frame. How Stanislavsky got misquoted, Strasberg got worshipped, and everyone forgot the director. In today's overcooked world of acting discourse, where TikTok acting challenges battle overpriced screen acting schools, one name is dragged through every workshop brochure like a saintly buzzword: Stanislavsky. The poor guy wanted structure and truth. What he got was trauma porn and endless confusion. Stanislavsky developed a system, not a religion, based on physical action, psychological realism, and ensemble work. Then Lee Strasberg zoomed in on one early element, emotional memory, and cranked it into the method. Thanks to him and some brilliant actors, emotional recall became gospel. So did confusing inner pain with performance. Cue decades of actors crawling through personal trauma to prepare for toothpaste commercials. Enter the feuding schools. Stella Adler, who actually studied with Stanislavsky, dismissed Strasberg's obsession with pain. Your childhood isn't that interesting. Read the script. Meisner said, screw the memory. Just repeat lines until someone cries. Olivier, watching Dustin Hoffman wreck himself for Marathon Man, simply asked, why not try acting? It's so much easier. Meanwhile, a new monster emerged, the screen acting school. For only $3,500 and your last shred of dignity, you can master micro-face techniques and whisper your way into a YouTube short film. Modules include how to cry on cue using a toothpaste ad, blink twice for Oscar-level depth, intro to eyelid acting. And what did this screen-specific approach give us? A generation of actors mistaking muttering for meaning, stillness for subtlety. The camera doesn't make a performance good, it just exposes what's there. Truth bomb. Acting is acting. Whether it's on a stage, in a lens, or on radio, the fundamentals don't change. The obsession with making screen acting its own mystical art form is a fraud, a con designed to sell ego over craft. And where's the director in all this? Often treated like a glorified Uber driver for inflated egos between scenes. But directing isn't logistics, it's vision, shape, tempo, story. A great director sculpts the performance, sees the gaps, builds the meaning. But in a content-hungry world, they're the least thanked and most ghosted artist in the room. Let's end the nonsense. Stop whispering like it's holy. Stop teaching that trauma equals talent. Stop sidelining directors. Start honoring craft. As Stanislavsky said, love the art in yourself, not yourself in the art. It's time we did, because the fraud isn't the frame. The fraud is thinking the frame is the art.